So today I am going to be following a TikTok tutorial for makeup because I feel like I haven't switched up the way that I do my makeup in a really long time. I talked about this in my last Get Ready With Me, I think. I don't really like to do heavy makeup anymore. I feel like it gives me body dysmorphia and I have no concept of what I look like because your girl knows her angles. I know my angle. I know which angles I look good at. So we're just gonna follow a TikTok tutorial. We're gonna have fun today. We're gonna try something new. I held my lace down with this stuff right here. It's not as good as the Got To Be glue, like in all honesty. But like I feel like I have to melt my lace like 2 or 3 times to get that to lay down. But with the Got To Be glue, it only takes 1. I don't know what I want to do with my hair. Like, do I curl it? Do I straighten it? I think I'm just gonna straighten it because I have not straighten this wig yet, but I'll do that at the end. I've not been able to fit in this top for months and I was able to fit in it today, so yeah, I love it because it like shows cleavage. I definitely have to pull up my titties for it to show the cleavage. You guys can't see because where the camera is, but do you hear that? My cats think that they can break into the bathroom door for some reason. I don't really have any life updates. I do the same 3 things every day. I go to the gym, I cook, I clean. Housewife right here. I'm nesting, okay? I'm nesting. But I was watching one of my old videos, the one where I'm just like sitting at my desk doing my makeup. I think it was like the Sephora haul one, and I was talking about TV shows and stuff. And that's why I really like doing these videos, because I like looking back on them and being like, where was I in life? Right now, Rashanda, you're nesting. One of my lights just turned off. That was weird. Hold on, let me try and fix it. The lighting might be a little different, but you're trying. Does anybody else cats do that? They act like they don't know their name when they're in trouble or they're doing something bad. Okay, I think that this is enough time for this to I don't know. Okay, it's good enough for me. We'll fix it later. So the first thing I'm going in with is hylaronic acid. I don't know if I want to talk while I'm doing this or if I just want to listen to music. Then I'm going with my moisturizer. Maybe I put a little bit too much on my neck. And then I was gonna put on sunscreen, but I'm gonna skip it for now. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I think another reason I don't switch up my makeup is because I really like the clean girl, like clean skin makeup look. Like I like looking hydrated, and I feel like full face makeup usually gives like a matte or like a full coverage effect, and it doesn't look flawless to me. Put on some lip gloss so I don't look too crazy. First step, and it doesn't say this in the video, but I'm gonna color correct because your girl has a lot of discoloration. Okay, I put way too much. I use the LA Pro Girl concealer. I use the color orange, even though it's not marketed for deep dark skin like the red one is. The red one just makes me look too red. I think my undertones are slightly reddish. I think that's why. But that one always just makes me look like Oompa Loompa-ish. Why does it keep doing that? I really put on way too much, so let me just, I'm using a towel to kind of reduce the amount of product I have. Because the concealer is going to do a pretty good job of covering. Bro, why does it keep doing that? Hold on, let me see. Okay, hopefully it stays on. Okay, now I need to watch the tutorial while I do this. I just saved it to my phone, so I can go slow with it. Okay, so it looks like she's putting some sort of like brow wax, brow gel in her hair. I mean in her eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Hopefully my camera focuses this time. Last time my camera was like fighting to focus. So the life hack is to go down first. Ooh, I have hella product. And then go up. so that all the hairs are coated. But I think I want to stick to like kind of making them perfect. I'm just swooping down. Okay. Now what does she do?
On my face, it's worn out today, so I'm gonna make sure all my oil is being controlled. And then this is an eye cream I have in this jar, and we're gonna put it under my eyes. No, I don't know the name of it. I know you're gonna ask. I don't know the name. Fenty dry. I'm gonna use my NARS foundation in the shade Cow. This is the Long-Wear Radiant foundation. Yeah.
Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna use a combination. I never know, like, do I just want to use a tinted moisturizer and go lighter, or do I want to do like a full coverage? So I'm gonna go in with my light reflecting foundation by NARS. Which one does she use? She has the Long-Wear Radiant one, but I'm gonna use the light reflecting one. I'm gonna do 2 pumps of that. I'm gonna use 1 pump of my Makeup Forever, my OG foundation, just because it's like my favorite. And I'm gonna use a buffing foundation brush by e.l.f. to do this.
Yeah. 3 pumps. I'm using my hylaronic concealers.
And it seems like she doesn't put it on her forehead. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put it on my forehead. Because I swear the makeup girlies swear this is like, whoa, 1 shade too dark. I swear the makeup girlies think that we can't tell that it's not on their forehead, but like I can tell, and I don't think it looks good. Just in my opinion. Maybe you can get away with like only concealer. Oh, this is acting really splotchy. Like it does not want to go on my face. Bro, it looks like I'm doing blackface. Like, not gonna even lie. Apologies. What I really liked about her video was her concealer technique. It literally looks like I'm doing blackface. And I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with the creaseless concealer. In all the places where she's putting it, which seems to be like next to her mouth, the top of her mouth, and then her chin. Hold on, I gotta see that again. And then I'm also gonna do the top of my forehead. I still have not done my eyebrows, so we'll see. I usually do not like my eyebrows done after. It looks scary. This is so scary how much makeup is on my face right now. Then it looks like she goes in with an even, right now this looks really good. Like this. See, I love a glowy face. Like, you see how hydrated I look? Like, yes, like that's what I like. It looks like she goes in with an even lighter concealer in her inner corners. And because I feel like it, I'm gonna put it on my nose too. Just like that. Sorry, no, I cannot help you right now, Nairobi. Because it's hot girl summer. Y'all will not believe just what happened. This blush just spilled out. That has never happened before. Because this blush is like a creamy consistency. Why did it just do that? Hold on, let me pick up a little bit of that though. She put it on like towards the front of her face. And she's doing it. Okay, and she even put it on her nose. I'm using a combination of Love, Believe, and Faith by Rare Beauty because I can't decide which one I like better and what combo I like better. So So I just mix them all together. Now she does powder. I'm gonna go in with the, no, this is the Laura Mercier powder. In the shade, what shade is this? Translucent medium D. She does this like very particular. I love this translucent powder. Instantly blurs your face. And then she seems to go in with like an even lighter shade. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild banana powder that I have. And it's kind of like pinkish, which is what I like about it. But I rarely use this because I don't like looking ashy. She puts it under her eye and over her nose bridge. I put it on my eyelids. I can't stand when my eyelids look greasy. The rest of my face looks matte. Like, I feel like I'm starting to look ashy. It's giving jump scare. Okay, and then she goes in with contour. I forgot to grab that. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just going in with the Black Radiance pressed powder and a fluffy brush. She puts it like on her chin. She puts it on the side of her face. And because I have a big ass forehead, I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on my forehead. And then she goes in with blush again. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go in with the same blush I was using. I know you're not supposed to put creams on top of powders, but does it look like I care? No. Actually, you know what I want to do? I'm gonna use purple. I'm gonna use a purple eyeshadow. It's not giving the way I want it to. Okay, it's because I wasn't even using the right shade. Why is it shiny? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Like I just ruined all my hard work by doing that. Then she dusts it all off and dusts off all the powder. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and I'm gonna add nose contour. I like my nose to look skinty. Go in and do my eyebrows because that was never addressed. I think she just does like natural brows, like she's blessed with eyebrows. I am not. Like, you see that? Why are my cheeks so... I think it's the blush. Like, I honestly think it's the blush. Okay, and then she puts highlighter on her nose. Yeah, so I will not be applying this shit with my fingers ever again. I don't like how there's no precision. I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner just to add back my beauty marks and to also add eyeliner just to extend my eyes. And I like the brown because it's not as harsh. Now I'm gonna do my eyelashes, and I just use some lashes from Amazon in the Curl D, and then I use the Bond and the Seal Falscara. I can't tell. I think I need another lash in the front. Quit breaking my heart. Wait, I want to listen to that song. That run, I can't do it. And that's it, you guys. That's the end of the look. This is so much fun. And I'm glad that I tried to do a different way of doing my makeup. I really liked how she used the concealer to go around her nose. Like, I think I will be doing that from now on, because that was so cool how she did that. But yeah, this is the look. This is it done. I think I look really cute. I think I look hot. I think I look sexy. This is the end of the look. I'm gonna take selfies and then I'm gonna wash this off like I always do when I do my makeup. And I'm so glad I did this because it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.